Why?
I'm like tearing.
I know.
Ow. We're like dying. I'm gonna start sneezing. Stop. You're making me laugh.
My eyes, I'm like crying.
I know. Ew, it's all boogery. Oh, it's bloody. Fun. I like the world seems to see. But she used to be. She used to be the sweetest girl. She used to be the sweetest girl ever, forever. Oh, my eyes.
What? Yes.
It looks like I'm. It looks like I'm crying.
Shut up. Yes. Shut up. You're gonna make me lose it.
Sorry. Ow,
Oh,
ow.
shut up. Shut up.
Okay.
Hold it, buddy. Wait up. Oh my god, I lost it again. Shut up, shut up.
I'm coughing, not sneezing. Oh, like I would. No, I don't. Ah! It tickles too much. Like I would. Oh, no, I don't.
You're right.
I got it. I finally got it. I'm so happy now. I need this tissue for my eyes. Let's do it again.
Oh crap! My nose.
What?
A tissue stuck in my nose. I can't. There's a little piece up there. I can't get it.
You stuck it all the way up?
Yeah.
Dude.
Ah!
Get tweezers.
I'm just kidding. I got it.
Oh. Achoo!
Yeah, right.
Achoo! God. Oh, I gotta fart. Just. Achoo!
Shut up. I'm trying to do it.
Sorry. Chew!
Who's that?
Chew!
Video.
Chew! Okay, I think I'm done now.
Yeah. I don't remember. Ask Mikey.
Chew!
And then be like,
Poopy to my pooper. I got a little piece of fat hole stuck in my butt.
Stop letting me laugh.
penis. Stick it in your butthole. You like a big saggy retard.
Stop!
I was like,
I need a new one.
that's the funniest one. I was like,
That was nasty though.
What did I say again?
I don't remember. You're like big saggy vagina. Stop. That hurts.
Oh my god, dude, I was just crying. I was like, you can't even say it now.
You like big saggy.
Oh my god, dude. I'm about to cry. I'm crying.
Me too.
Oh, that's the funniest crap ever. Be like, you like big. Oh my god. I'm saying this outside too.
That's even worse.
Watch everybody come out and be like, where? Right. You like?
You?
have a floppy vagina.
Oh god.
Penis is Ow.
I just did it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. You were talking.
Floppy vagina.
I'll do it again. Here we go.
What?
Please.
Did you sneeze?
Yeah.
You like big
Balls.
You have saggy balls.
Here we go. Here we go. Balls. Doesn't sound as good as I thought it would.
You like big balls.
I just did. Oh, I just snotted out the other side. Listen, I just did it. Listen. Balls. I don't know what that was. It was like half a sneeze. I sneezed and I stopped all of a sudden.
It was like you were like ah.
Yeah, I sneezed all of a sudden, and then like halfway in the sneeze, I stop.
And then you're just like
I'm like, what was that?
you like halfway sneeze, and then your boogers just fly out. You're like ah, and then just go
Here we go.
and like squirt all over the house. You like.
It hurts my throat.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You like
I got this one.
vagina. You like it? You like if you don't like
Listen, here we go.
Get down to my store.
Listen. Hold on. Here we go. Hold on.
Like a vagina? You like big balls?
Stop.
If you don't
Here we go.
like
Stop.
tortillas,
Shut up.
get the hell out of my store.
Shut up. What? Oh, I went away. It went away. I was like, what? Oh, it went away.
Butthole pizza.
Yeah. Here we go. Wait, I burped.
Oh my god.
Oh, I gotta sneeze. That's a burp. Hold on. Here we go. Pizza!
That was yawn.
I just sneezed again.
I'm gonna do a yawn. Ready?
Wiki. Here we go! Oh, okay, it's starting to hurt.
My mom kicked me out of my house.
What?
I don't know.
You sure butt?
Yeah.
Sarah likes big. Oh. Whoops. Sarah, hi Sarah. Hear what? Oh, she's sure what I said.
Big balls. Okay.
We're sick. This is gonna be a long video.